How to download and install Epic Games installer on your PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can download and install the Epic Games installer on PC, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to download and install the Epic Games installer on PC, what you need to do is to just go to this website called store.epicgames.com, or you can also go to epicgames.com as well. I'll make sure to drop a link down below. Once you go to epicgames.com, what you want to do is on the top right you'll be able to find a download button of Epic Games installer. So just click on the download option. It'll ask you for a confirmation to download, so just go ahead and then download the installer first of all. And after this downloads, we're going to move on to the setup process. So all we need to do is just click on the open button here, and then once you click on open, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. First of all, just choose the directory where you are installing the Epic Games launcher, and then make sure that you have enough storage in that specific drive. If not, then you're going to face errors with other games, and then just click on the install button. Now it may take a while to finish installing it. Just run the program as an administrator, and then you'll be able to finish the setup process after validating the installation and then copying the new files. After this is done, you can open the Epic Games launcher and then proceed to download other games from it. And that's all it takes to set up and install the Epic Games launcher on your PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.